Good morning, everybody. A mild day ahead, but some windy conditions, also some flood potential, especially a flood watch from about Shasta westward and a coastal flood advisory. So lots of rain coming, lots of wind coming today. It's going to be an active day, already is, as you can see out there. Things lighting up today. Now, the thing is with this, snow levels going up. So that adds to this situation because we're going to be dealing with some melting snow and then some flooding. And flooding always comes after a lot of the rain event, so be prepared. Things aren't going to change right away. We are going to be dealing with localized heavy winds as well. So some areas not too windy, others going to be ramping up towards 35 miles an hour for Red Bluff, but yet Redding, not too bad. So depending on your area, you're going to see some strong winds, other people not. You know, these localized winds, we've seen them around our area before, and it's not going to be the last time, but be prepared. It's going to be an active day for us out there. All right, not too bad on the fog, although Redding's sitting at 3.5 miles visibility, and Gunner's just saying, I don't know, maybe we should keep it inside today. It's going to be a wet one and a windy one. So, all right, let's talk about what to expect. Wet flood watches and then snow levels rising up, and those aren't going to help us much, as I said, because that leads to not only flooding, but also the potential for delayed flooding on top of everything. Once we get over it, we're not doing too bad, but as we head towards the weekend, another system rolls in. That's going to bring some rain on the weekend. So we're getting a little bit of a break, but not entirely. For today, just expect it to be damp, 50s for you, and staying that way pretty much throughout the day. As I said, again, another day where it's going to be windy. Now, by tonight, we're kind of into some scattered showers, keeping in that way all the way through tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, we still have that flood issues, as again, because it's delayed. We're talking about some melting snow, but still not completely out of the showers. So, wow, yeah, what a day on tap for us. Mild temperatures, as you can see, Chico getting into the 60s today, but it's not going to feel like it. And in fact, you don't want to get wet and be outside for a long period of time, especially with these winds. So tomorrow morning, bottoming out in the 50s, if you can believe it. But look at the 70s we're going to be looking for on the other side of this thing. Even once we start heading towards the weekend with that chance for showers, we're even going to be still into the 60s. So quite an interesting forecast ahead. Look at the mid-70s for Redding on Friday. But as I mentioned, by Saturday, that chance of showers goes up. 70s on Saturday, though some mid-60s rolling around by Monday.